Welcome to your affirmation session for those that may be dealing with prolactinoma. At this time, let's clear your subconscious mind before we begin our affirmation session. Begin with a deep breath in, and release. Let's begin your affirmation session to healing prolactinoma. My body is strong, resilient, and capable of healing. My pituitary gland is shrinking and restoring itself to optimal health. Every cell in my body is working toward health and balance. I trust my body's ability to regulate and restore itself. I am patient with my body as it heals and regenerates. My pituitary gland is healthy and functioning optimally. I release all stress and tension, allowing my body to heal naturally. I visualize my body in perfect health and harmony. I am grateful for my body's strength and ability to heal. Every breath I take supports my body's healing process. I am healing more and more each day in every way. I trust in the treatments and care I am receiving for my health. I let go of fear and trust my body's natural wisdom. I celebrate the progress my body makes every single day. My hormones are balanced and my body is in harmony. I trust my body to regulate prolactin levels naturally and effectively. My pituitary gland is balanced and functioning perfectly. I nourish my body with foods and habits that promote hormonal health. I release any blocks that prevent my body from achieving balance. My hormones support my body's overall health and well-being. I trust my endocrine system to work in perfect harmony. My body is naturally designed to achieve hormonal equilibrium. I choose habits and practices that promote hormonal health. I am at peace, knowing my hormones are balancing each day. I trust the process of healing and balancing my body's hormones. I let go of worry and focus on the progress I am making. My body is in perfect alignment, supporting balanced prolactin levels. I am calm, centered, and at peace in my healing journey. I trust the process even when it feels challenging. I release any fear and replace it with hope and confidence. I am resilient and I overcome every obstacle with grace. I trust myself and my body to navigate this journey with strength. I feel energized and supported by my body's healing process. My energy flows freely, restoring every part of me. I am vibrant, full of life, and deeply connected to my body's wisdom. My body provides me with strength and the energy to heal. I release any mental or emotional blocks to feeling my best. I release any stress and tension from my mind and my body. I am calm, centered, and at peace in every situation. I let go of worry and replace it with trust and relaxation. I am resilient and handle challenges with ease and grace. My pituitary gland is healing and functioning in perfect balance. My pituitary gland is shrinking and restoring itself to optimal health. I release any fear surrounding my health and embrace my healing journey. I visualize my pituitary gland free of any blockages. I trust my body's ability to recover fully and completely. I send love and gratitude to my pituitary gland for its healing process. My cells regenerate and restore my pituitary gland to optimal health. My pituitary gland is healthy, balanced, and functioning optimally. My body knows exactly how to heal and restore my pituitary gland. I let go of fear and trust the healing process with confidence. My breasts are healthy, strong, and balanced. I trust my body's natural ability to maintain breast health. I release any tension or fear surrounding my breast health. My menstrual cycle is balanced, regular, and healthy. I trust my body's natural rhythm and flow. I am in harmony with my body's cycle and embrace its changes. My hormones support a healthy, balanced menstrual cycle. I release stress, knowing my body is working toward regularity. My cycle reflects balance and health within my body. My menstrual cycle is balanced, pain-free, and easy to manage. My body is releasing the excess production of milk gently and naturally. I trust my body to regulate and balance its functions perfectly. I release any tension or discomfort surrounding unwanted lactation. My hormones are in perfect harmony, supporting my body's needs. I feel calm and confident as my body balances prolactin levels. My breasts feel light, comfortable, and at ease. My hormonal levels are stabilizing naturally and effectively. My body is a vessel of creation, and I trust its timing and process. I am patient and compassionate with myself on my fertility journey. My body is capable of nurturing and creating life. I release any doubt or fear surrounding fertility. I trust the wisdom of my body and its ability to create balance. I release stress and replace it with calm and trust in my journey. My hormones are balanced, supporting my fertility and well-being. My estrogen levels are rising naturally to their perfect balance. I trust my body to produce the hormones it needs for optimal health. My body is supported by the foods, care, and practices I provide. My hormones are aligned, supporting my energy, vitality, and health. I trust the wisdom of my endocrine system to balance my estrogen levels. I nourish my body to help it produce the hormones it needs. I release stress and allow my body to create balance with ease. My estrogen levels are supporting my mood, energy, and vitality. I am confident in my body's ability to balance my estrogen naturally. My vision is clear, strong, and vibrant. I trust my body to heal and restore my eyesight naturally. I release any tension in my eyes and allow them to relax fully. My body supports my vision with perfect clarity and health. Every day, my vision becomes clearer and more focused. I trust in my body's ability to maintain and improve my eyesight. I release any fears surrounding vision changes and embrace healing. With my vision as it heals and strengthens. I choose habits that support and enhance my eye health. My body is restoring balance and supporting clear and vibrant vision. This concludes your affirmation session for healing prolactinoma. Continue to listen to this affirmation session along with your healing journey for the next 21 days for maximum effect. Thank yourself for showing up today, and thank you for tuning in to Divine Feminine Wellness.